Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring you two gaming devices. And the left one is Onexplayer Ultra7 gaming pad, gaming PC, and the right one is the independent GPU device, also from Onexplayer. And this is the first multifunctional gaming pad powered by Intel Core Ultra7 and Ultra5. This time for the Ultra7 gaming PC, it used the aluminum CNC technology to make the device, and the total weight 789 grams. And as we can see from the foresight, we can find lots of ports and buttons, and also you can find it can connect to the other external accessories through the mechanical connection. And also at the same time, it can also connect to this very powerful GPU, customized GPU device, and it's called the Onex GPU. And this external GPU can be best external gaming partner, and the GPU is AMD Radeon RX 7600M XT. Weight 869, and it supports USB 4 plus Oclock link plus dual USB 3.2 and a USB A plus and dual HDMI 2.1 and 2 DP and RG45 netport. It supports 8K videos output, and also it connects to 4 displays, and also it gets a 100-watt reverse DP power supply. And now it connects to the device Onexplayer X1. And we can see this device is powered by the Microsoft OS, and also when we have a screen, we find the screen is 10.95 inch, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's a LCD touch screen. It supports LTPS. Display resolution reached to 2560 by 1600, and peak brightness reached to 540 nit, and P3 color, DC dimming, and also the 4096 great pressure detector pencil. And also for the Onexplayer player, this time they support a Hamilton dual 7x12 speaker, and also fingerprint and face unlock. And as for the gaming performance and specification about the device, it also gets high specifications, and it's the first time they use the Intel Core Ultra7 and Ultra5 155H and Ultra7 155 edition. And also support dual lens LPDDR5X and PCIe 4.0 by 4 SSD 280. Maximum frequency reached to 4.8 GHz, 128 EU and 2250 MHz ARC GPU, and also support dual USB 4, one USB 3.2, and Oclink. Also to keep the 3.5mm headphone jacket this time. So if I connect the X-Player to the GPU, we can use the tempo buttons, and it supports RGB light for the gaming lovers. So thanks for watching. This is today's very quick talk video about the Onexplayer and Onex GPU. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more catch up from here. Bye bye.